Hello and welcome to Rich Freelancer. If you're looking to make money from home and are interested in using innovative tools like ChatGPT, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring how you can use ChatGPT to earn a steady income online. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that allows you to easily and efficiently make money from the comfort of your own home using its powerful AI intelligence. So whether you're looking to supplement your current income or are looking to make a full-time living online, ChatGPT is an excellent option to consider. Go to Fiverr.com. Type poem in the search bar. Click on Poetry Writing from the top. Or just search for Poetry Writer directly in the first place. You can see that only 721 people are offering this service, and this is a great opportunity to join the service before the competition rise. Don't worry, you don't need to have any poem writing experience to make money from this service. Just follow my instructions. Open a new tab and search for OpenAI. Then click on the first link. The name of the tool that will help us write an amazing poem is called ChatGPT. This is an artificial intelligence system that can literally do anything you want it to do. This AI is new and free, so the only place to have access to it is OpenAI. So click on the text that says try, and you will have access to it. So now this is the AI. Whenever you need an article or poem, just tell the AI to write it for you. Let's try it. Write a very interesting poem about a foolish man. You can see that the AI started writing it immediately, and all the writings are accurate and new. So no one has written a particular poem before. You can do this as many times you want. If this video has helped you in one way or another, consider giving this video a like and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.